gentlemen, welcome to London-Heathrow Airport. Local time here is 8:06 in the morning. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all items stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned on. Please make sure that you have all of your personal belongings before you exit the aircraft. If you have one opening overhead compartments. You're now free to use your mobile phones.
Welcome to MJT Global. I'm here at the Premier Inn London, Elstree / Borehamwood, and this is my room. I think all the rooms are kind of the same. This is on the 4th level. It's room 402, and this is like the hallway with my bag with stuff in it, and there's a thing to put like your clothes, hang your clothes up, and there's a mirror which I only just realized, and a bench, and this is the bed, and it's actually really spacious for the price that you get for this. It's so much cheaper than anywhere in the centre of London. And if you can sacrifice the 1.5 hour travel, I'm doing a lot in Borehamwood, so it just made total sense to stay here and then venture into the city instead of stay in the city and venture all the way here on days. Anyway, it's so spacious that this even comes with this, which my bag is on, this couch, which is just so brilliant. And this is the table. It's really good for business as well. TV, Samsung flat screen, nice enough artwork. There is this window, which is actually, it brings in some air, which is rather cool at the moment, but it's refreshing to have. It sounds really loud because it is loud outside. If you close it, silence. So at night time you can close that, and I only reopen it to let fresh air in sometimes. The bed is really comfy. The pillows could be comfier. I actually am using this purple one that's actually was on the couch, and I rest my head on that, and it's comfier than the thinness of the two pillows. There is nice lighting. You can have like 2 different kind of displays. Like, oh no, you don't. Like, turn this off, you can have just the lamps on. And I guess you can turn the lamp off. And even in the day, if you turn everything off, it's rather dark. So if you need to sleep during the day, probably really good. And then the bathroom. Oh, also there's power plugs down there, which is absolutely wonderful, and power plugs here as well. And the bathroom is really good for this kind of 3-star hotel. Lovely wooden panels. And it comes with, like, you know, soap and a big enough sink with a mirror. It's a bath shower, which may be the only disadvantage, but if you want to have a bath, it's a good thing. But the climb up is worrisome sometimes. But this place has been really good. The service has been really good. They always seem to be like kind of in their own pace, like they know what they're doing, but they are nice when you give eye contact and stuff. Yeah, I only had one incident that the smoke alarm went off last night, the fire alarm at 9 p.m. and I was trying to watch Big Brother. 1 minute before it started, the fire alarm went off and we went down, and it's because they had a fire in the kitchen and we had to wait for the ambulance to come in -1 degrees, and we're just sitting there for about 20 minutes, but standing there for 20 minutes. But apart from that, this has been really nice. I think I would choose this. If you're going to Elstree Studios, this is really close. It's far closer than the 1 5-star hotel in Elstree Borehamwood area. So it's a 10-minute walk, 13-minute walk, but there's also a bus that goes all around from Elstree Station all the way through Tesco and Elstree Studios. And yeah, it's a wonderful option. I absolutely love staying in this area. I would highly recommend it if you're going to be in this area of London in Elstree Borehamwood. And you can still venture out into London City. British people are like, oh, it's too far. But, you know, for other people, it's an hour and a half. You know, I usually travel to work from home in that amount of time in Australia. Anyway, that's it for now. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all my review videos. Until next time, bonsoir everyone, and goodbye.
But once Emma comes out, phones are away, and no more pictures and no more recordings.
This is
We're gonna
it.
get the last few people in,
This is
and
it.
then
This
we'll
is it.
start.
This
If you
is
need
it.
to go to the washroom, if you need to go to the loo, go now.
Woo!
Because in about 10
This
minutes
is
time,
it. This
we'll
is
be
the
in
final
lockdown,
ever.
and you will not be allowed to go and move from where you are. So if you need to go to the washroom, go to our little portaloos that are just round there. Go now, because in 10 minutes time, we're Big Brother lockdown. Who's been before? Give us a wave. Hello regulars, I'm gonna miss you. Who's never been before for your hands up? Wild, how outrageous you are, the more likely it is that you'll be on telly. So whatever happens tonight, be loud, be raucous. When Emma's talking, if she's talking about a housemate that you like, big cheer. If she's talking about a housemate you don't like, feel free to boo, alright? The housemates that have been in the show, the series, will be sat here.
Yeah.
Remember, you're going to be seen by a lot of people. If you see a camera on you, if you see yourself up on the big screen, smile, look happy, don't look down the camera and go, don't do that. And we've got Big Brother goodies to give away. So if you are loud, if you are raucous, if you are jumping and bouncing, you win a Big Brother t-shirt. Right, do your hair, do your makeup, go to the loo, do what you got to do. Last chance for you to get on your phones before we bring out Emma and do the trails and what we've got to do. Thank you very much, Gary.